Well, we finally have sunshine today, and this is all the snow that I've been shoveling. A closer look. I think this is a totally normal backyard in the wintertime. Slightly normal, right? I look like I'm hoarding snow. Like, does anybody need any? Because I have some. Oh my god, it's the freaking sun! Okay, it's really friggin' cold out too, but yeah. Overhang. Okay, it's like frickin' freezing out, but yeah. It's winter, lots of snow. Pretty cool. Yay! Oh my god, it's so cold, but there's sun! Gorgeous day. Love it. Hating the snow, but love it. Man, I wish I knew how to figure this out, right?